67-year-old MB Singh is in the highest tax bracket. So he wants to know if he should invest in an arbitrage fund or a debt fund.
So the first thing is that arbitrage funds are comparable to liquid funds among the debt offerings in terms of the risk return outcomes. So while they can be considered for very short investment horizons, but they are generally not suitable for your steady state fixed income allocation because the returns from them may not be good enough. Now, if you look at these graphs which compare their returns versus that of the liquid funds, you would notice that on a pre-tax basis, these funds generally deliver slightly lower returns than the liquid funds over any block of 1 year. But because of their preferable tax treatment, they PIP the liquid funds on a post-tax basis for somebody in the highest tax bracket. Because in case of liquid funds, the returns are taxed at the rate of 30% for a holding period of less than 3 years. But arbitrage funds are able to fetch the preferential tax treatment which is accorded to equity funds. And that's why, because of the lower tax liability, their post-tax returns end up being slightly higher. But remember that these funds also tend to be more volatile than the liquid funds. Over very short periods of, say, about 1 month, there have been quite a few instances when they deliver negative returns. So that's something that you have to be cognizant of. So I would broadly say that if you're looking to invest for about a year and a half, given that you're in the highest tax bracket, maybe you can consider arbitrage funds, but they may not be a very suitable option for your longer term fixed income allocation.